Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install the AI tool DeepSeek on your Android device quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type DeepSeek. From the search results, select the correct app and tap Install. Since I already have it installed, I see the Open button instead. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You will see the welcome screen. Now, you need to sign in. You can log in with a Google account, register with another email, or use your phone number. In this case, I am using my Google account. Accept the terms, and you will be logged in right away. This is the main interface, which looks very similar to ChatGPT. In fact, DeepSeek is a direct competitor of ChatGPT. On the top left, there is a menu button where all your previous chats will be stored. Since this is a new installation, there are no archived chats yet. In the chat box, you can ask anything you want. For example, I am asking it for YouTube channel improvement tips, and it is responding quickly with useful suggestions. If you tap on the plus symbol, you will find options like image analysis and document processing. DeepSeek also has a deep thinking feature, similar to ChatGPT's reasoning mode, which allows for more advanced responses. As of now, DeepSeek is completely free, unlike ChatGPT, which offers paid features. And that's it. Now you know how to install DeepSeek on your Android device.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.